So yeah, now I see a giant bird flying in. I'm not sure if you're allowed to have birds that big in the city. Pretty sure the military is going to be heading over right quick because these birds are getting larger and larger lately. As you can see, especially that one there. Yeah, that one's ridiculously large. Holy. He's getting closer too. Seems like he's just gliding in. Little heavy pyramid action over here. The all-seeing eye pyramid. Right there. Pyramid right there. What's going on over here now? Ooh, that's getting juicy over there. Well, that is bizarre. That's not supposed to be there yet. That's like some kind of secret spirit world activity going on there. Oh, we got helicopters. Got the military's being called in for this giant bird. For sure they're gonna go get him.